0.6. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 2-4. End of transmission. 15.6.
As you can tell, I just got here, so got a charger on him. I wonder which one, I'm 85 or different one. I don't know. Different one. I think yesterday was, I think it was 85. Today it's 83. I don't know if I told you guys or not. I don't remember if I did. I hate them. I love them as these kind of cars. I love them because they're all very comfortable to ride. They're very, very comfortable. I hate them because I used to clean them when I used to work for New Jersey Transit, when I used to work for them. P878, eastbound 2. Stopped at G-Bug. Short for conversation. Thought so.
Clear, take the gate.
The P878 look good.
84 pin. 83, 240, 6, 4, 2,